Hey, welcome to episode 46. Is life all about money? So, I was just talking to one of my friends the other day, and she mentioned that I'm going to school for this particular degree, and I'm not going to name what because this degree or this job may be great, for some individuals, but it may not be a good fit. But I asked her what was the reasoning behind it. Well, it makes good money. I don't think that's a good answer, because working, we can do anything we want to in life. Really, you can, right? Sometimes you have to figure out if you're good at it or not, and we tend to like the things that we're good at. But more importantly, we like to do things that we're really passionate about. And when you're really passionate, when you love what you do, you don't have to work a day in your life, right? So rather than going to school for this degree or this certification and then putting in a few years, paying back the student debt, and working in a job that you really don't even care about, that sounds miserable to me, by the way. Why not focus on building something you really care about? So even if today I have to work minimum wage just to get by, right? I bust my butt, work a ton of hours just to scrape by, or I move into a smaller house, I downsize, or a small apartment, or live with friends. It doesn't matter, right? Just to get by. But if you're focused on building something that you're really passionate about, then it's worth it. And another thing to think about is you don't want to be in a position where what they call golden handcuffs. Your job pays you so well, or offers you the insurance that you need, the health insurance that takes care of the whole family, but you're just miserable. How long do you want to stay in that position, right? So keep that in mind. Definitely my suggestion, my recommendation is just focus on do what it takes to live for now, and then focus on continuously growing what you're really passionate about. Hope that helps. See you next time.